understandably so. I wouldn't trust it either if I were you. And not because of me, because I'm typically right about every motherfucking thing, but, you know, women are usually completely full of shit. I've said it before and I'll say it again. For those that say that women aren't funny, really? They play the victim all the time. Women, turn signal. No, you don't want to do that? You're above that? You're too good for that, huh? Anyway, sorry, baby rant. Little baby rant. Everybody's driving poorly tonight. What was I saying? Women. Yeah, so women actually think that they're victims. Isn't that funny? Those that advocate for abortion think that they're victims. Those that purposely put themselves in situations where they end up getting taken advantage of by somebody, you know, like a frat boy, for example. Fuck you. I'm going to speed up ahead of you. Fuck you. Fuck you from Alabama. Fuck you. Piece of shit. Oh, they're fucking horrible. They're a horrible, horrible human being, and I hope that they die in a car accident tonight. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm switching lanes. Fuck these pieces of shit, man. All these people are just disgusting. That's right. Don't give me that dirty look, Alabamian piece of crap. You don't even know how to use your turn signal. It's really not that hard. All you have to do is just flick the little motherfucking thing. That's all you have to do. That's right, bitch. That's right. I know that you're way back there. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, just keep going. Yeah, we have to tone it down a little bit. We're getting a little too feisty right now.